G'day everyone, Connie here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video. Today we're doing a slow-mo test with the Nokia 7 Plus, and our subject for the day is Connor the Catboy. So let's go check this out. Let's go. Alright everyone, there's the quick footage of the slow-mo on the Nokia 7 Plus, so I don't think it's too bad. The lower the light, the worse it gets. That's something I've noticed, like every camera, obviously. Anyway, hit me up in the comments what you think. Hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Check out.